looking at this community, there's no ICT center, no ICT facility. That influences our decision. And citing it here is helpful because there are a lot of schools around that will benefit. That influence our choice of the center.
This is an old edifice. We had to do a whole lot of work to get it to what we are seeing today.
We think that this lab, which has been built in this poor area, will really transform the lives of the children. By embracing particularly the robotics lab, we will be able to sort of get some future Bill Gates people, that young people that can create something that can transform humanity and the world. So that's the expectation.
I knew that the Honorable Ahenkro had taken over selecting the site for here, but what I believe was the reason was that the very good BCE scores of the students here were the best in the district. And then since we only want the best, that's why this school was chosen.